Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goron Guitar. We have Khalid with the song called Shutdown. So very cool song from Khalid. One of my favorites from him. And this one, we need to set our capo on the first fret to have the best and easiest chords possible here. So capo on 1, and let's start with the chords. So the first chord will be F. You need to bar all strings there. The rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord is A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be G minor 7. So you bar all strings, this time on the 3rd fret, and the rest will be just 5th on A. And the final chord will be A sharp sus2. So you bar the 1st fret, this time from A string and down, so 5 strings, and the rest will be 3rd on D and 3rd on G. And that's it for chords. So you can go with just downs, that is one way of playing this one, but you can also go with a kind of a strumming pattern. I will give you both ways. So we'll start with the basic and just downs, and it's good enough, it's not that, but I will take it to a strumming pattern later on. So let's go with F, 4 downs, then A minor, 4 downs, then G minor 7, 7 downs, and then you go to F and play 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and F. And then you go back and play the same pattern there, G minor 7 and F1. And for final round, you play the G minor 7 for 7 rounds, and then the A sharp sus2 for 1. So. And that is one chord portion. So just to repeat everything here, F4, A minor 4. Then we have these combos here for 3 rounds. The first 2 rounds will be G minor 7, 7 downs, and F1 down. So G minor 7, 7, F1, G minor 7, 7, F1, and the last 3rd round will be G minor 7, 7 times, and A sharp sus2, 1 down. So let's go through that without any talk, just play, it will sound like this. Alright, so that is the basic. And it's pretty neat to just play that through the entire song. But you can also go with a strumming pattern. Of course, it's based upon the same chords, so nothing changes there. It's just how you handle the chords. So we'll start again with the F. For this one, it will play this kind of basic strumming pattern, which is down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay? So for F, down, down, up, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, up. So F1, strum around on that. Then you shift to A minor and play the same. And then you go to these combos. The combos here will be played for G minor 7, since it's 7 times, it will be like this. Okay, so that was 1 full strum round, which means down, down, up, clap, down, up. And then for the 2nd round, still the G minor 7, you will play down, down, up, clap. So clap is the last thing you do with the G minor 7 on the 2nd round. And then you just play 1 down on F. So 1 round of this combo, G minor 7 and F, will sound like this slowly. down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, up, clap, and F down. And since you have many combos here, you will go back after this F1 down and play the same there. So down, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, down. Final round. And now A sharp sus2 instead of F1 down. So that is how it goes. Just to repeat everything. So for the first two chords, an F and A minor, you'll play down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so F, down, down, up, clap, down, up, A minor, down, up, clap, down, up. And then you have these combos now. G minor 7 and F. So you'll play on G minor 7, down, down, up, clap, down, up, clap, and then you shift to F and play 1 down. That is how it goes. You play that for 3 rounds. On the third round, you played A sharp instead of F, and that is one chord progression. So I'm gonna play that through for you now, perhaps a little bit slower than the original tempo, so you can see what's happened there. So let's go. That is how Khalid's Shut Down ends or continues. It's up to you, because it goes like this through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys. And if you love Khalid, I think we'll come back here on Golden Guitar. So stay tuned and play tuned.